If you've noticed foam in your urine, or your doctor mentioned proteinuria, it's something you don't want to overlook. It's a signal your kidneys may be under stress. Normally, your kidneys filter waste, not protein. So when protein shows up, it's like a coffee filter with a tear in it. Something vital is slipping through. That's why in this video, we're going to go through 3 powerful kidney healing drinks that can protect your kidneys and 4 silent, dangerous ones that can make the problem worse. Some of them are likely sitting in your kitchen right now, and number 3 may really surprise you. Before we get started, I'd be truly glad if you joined our community by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when new health tips drop. And once you've finished watching, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share which drink caught you off guard the most and which one you feel ready to avoid or start using in your routine. Let's start with the healing side first, because your body deserves a fighting chance. First up, green tea. Not the sugary bottled versions, but pure brewed green tea. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which help reduce kidney inflammation and protect delicate filters from further damage. For seniors, this means less protein leakage, better blood pressure control, and more energy throughout the day. In fact, a 2020 study published in Nutrients found that regular green tea drinkers had a 28% lower risk of kidney function decline compared to non-drinkers. Beyond kidneys, green tea supports brain sharpness, aids weight control, lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, strengthens immunity, boosts metabolism, protects the liver, reduces cancer risk, enhances circulation, and improves bone strength. Steep 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 tea bag in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes, strain, and drink warm. Seniors should aim for 1-2 cups daily, preferably without sugar. With consistent use, early improvements in energy, blood pressure, and urine protein levels are often felt within 3 to 5 weeks. One of my patients, a retired teacher, started with just 1 cup a day. At his next checkup, he told me, "Doctor, I feel lighter. My swelling is down, and my report shows my protein levels have dropped." But green tea is just the start. The next drink has helped real people see their kidney numbers improve in just weeks. Second is cranberry water. Not the sugary cocktail, but pure cranberry extract mixed with water. I had one senior patient who struggled with recurring urinary issues and rising protein levels. Once she switched her afternoon soda for cranberry water, not only did her UTIs disappear, but her kidney function markers improved within 3 months. A 2016 clinical trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed cranberry supplementation reduced urinary tract infections by over 40%, directly easing kidney strain. On top of that, cranberries promote heart health, reduce inflammation, improve oral health, lower cholesterol, enhance gut balance, support immune defense, fight oxidative stress, protect against stomach ulcers, boost circulation, and help manage blood sugar. Mix 1/4 cup of unsweetened cranberry juice with 3/4 cup of water for a glass of diluted cranberry water. Drink 1 glass per day, ideally in the morning or afternoon. With steady use, urinary comfort and reduced kidney strain can usually be noticed within 4 to 6 weeks. One senior woman came back after 6 weeks saying, "I don't rush to the bathroom all night anymore, and my doctor said my kidney function looks more stable than before." But wait until you hear this last one. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and most people never realize how much healing power it holds. And now the shocker, barley water. Yes, that humble grain you might only think of in soups can be turned into a kidney-saving drink. Barley water acts as a natural diuretic, flushing toxins, excess salts, and even helping reduce protein levels in the urine. Research published in BMC Nephrology in 2015 found that patients who consumed barley water daily showed a 32% improvement in reduced urinary protein levels and lower creatinine markers. Beyond kidneys, barley water lowers cholesterol, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces blood pressure, supports weight loss, strengthens bones, protects the liver, boosts skin health, enhances gut microbiome, and reduces risk of heart disease. Rinse 1/4 cup of barley grains, boil in 3 cups of water for 20 minutes, then strain and cool. Drink 1 cup twice daily, morning and evening. For taste, add a squeeze of lemon, but avoid sugar. Noticeable results in urine protein levels, swelling reduction, and blood pressure control typically appear within 3 to 4 weeks of daily use. One gentleman told me after a month, "For the first time in years, my legs aren't swelling like balloons. And my labs showed my numbers are improving." Now, those are the 3 drinks that can give your kidneys relief and even help reverse proteinuria, but here's the dangerous truth. Just as these can heal, there are 4 everyday drinks silently wrecking your kidneys. And chances are, you're sipping at least one of them right now. But just as important as healing drinks are the ones silently destroying your kidneys. Before we move on to the next surprising drink, I want to pause for just a moment. If you found value so far, I'd truly appreciate it if you subscribed. It not only lets us know we're on the right track with content that makes a difference, but it also ensures you never miss new health tips designed to keep you stronger, healthier, and living longer. Now, some of these dangerous drinks might genuinely shock you, because I know they shocked me when I first learned the truth. Let's start with the first one, soda. It seems harmless, just a fizzy refreshment. But for seniors, daily soda intake, whether regular or diet, bombards the kidneys with high phosphorus, artificial sweeteners, and loads of sugar. Studies show people who drink soda daily have a 30% higher risk of proteinuria and kidney decline. Keep this habit up and you risk constant bloating, swelling in your legs, extreme fatigue, and even faster progression toward dialysis. I've had patients who thought 1 can a day was no big deal, only to find their swelling and exhaustion got worse until they stopped. And if you think soda is the only guilty pleasure, just wait until you hear the next one, because it's something millions rely on every morning. Second is coffee overload. A cup or 2 is fine, but too much caffeine doubles the pressure on your kidneys. It dehydrates, raises blood pressure, and increases urinary protein leakage. In fact, a 2017 Journal of Renal Nutrition study found that excessive coffee intake worsened markers of kidney function by up to 26% in vulnerable seniors. Over time, this habit leads to constant dehydration, pounding headaches, racing heartbeats, and worsening protein leakage. I had one gentleman who drank 4 cups a day. Once he cut down to 1. His protein levels dropped within 2 months. And while coffee is common, the next one hides under a healthy mask, yet it quietly drains your kidneys every day. Third is packaged fruit juice. Marketed as healthy, but most are loaded with hidden sugars and preservatives. That sugar spike forces kidneys to overwork and accelerates protein loss in the urine. Even 100% fruit juice often contains concentrated fructose that strains the kidneys. A large-scale 2015 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition report linked sugary beverages, including fruit juice, to a 35% increased risk of chronic kidney disease. Keep this up and you risk constant thirst, unstable blood sugar, weight gain, and worsening swelling in your feet and ankles. I remember a woman who proudly said she had quit soda for juice, yet her numbers worsened until she switched to water and natural fruit instead. And if that surprises you, the final one is even worse, the single drink that silently wrecks kidneys faster than all the rest. And finally, alcohol, the ultimate kidney killer. Regular drinking, even in moderate amounts, silently damages the filtration system, raises blood pressure, and depletes hydration. Alcohol not only worsens proteinuria, but also doubles the strain on your liver, making recovery almost impossible. Research in 2019 from BMC Public Health showed that chronic alcohol use raised the risk of kidney failure by over 40%. Stick with this habit and you'll likely face rising blood pressure, liver strain, memory problems, painful urination, and in severe cases, accelerated kidney failure. One senior man came back and told me, "Doctor, I thought wine was good for my heart, but it was killing my kidneys." After stopping, his blood pressure dropped and his protein levels finally stabilized. And here's the shocking truth. Avoiding these drinks is only half the battle. If this video has opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. It tells me we're building a community that values health, family, and longevity. And in the comments, let me know which drink you're going to start or stop first. I read every response, and your story might just inspire someone else to take that life-saving step today.